Do you sometimes pass up on details that you think might be insignificant? Hi everyone, today on the Elite Economizer, we're diving into 7 essential things that I've learned never to skimp on again. Each of these elements has transformed my life, and they could change yours too. Stick around because what you learn here might just save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle in the future. Let's get started with the first point. Accelerating knowledge. We often admire those who appear to achieve success effortlessly. But let me tell you, success is never accidental. It requires a significant amount of dedication, effort, and investment. Whether it's in your finances, business, or personal relationships, you must be willing to put in both time and money to see growth. People often think I'm just naturally good with money because I worked in banking for nearly a decade. But the truth is, it took a lot of learning and continual investment in myself to get here. And I'm still learning every single day. Very few people are innately good at something without putting in the effort. The secret is to invest in knowledge and expertise. Want to learn Spanish? Sure, there are free resources, but investing in a tutor can accelerate your learning. The same goes for cooking. Online videos are great, but cooking classes can provide hands-on experience that you won't get otherwise. In 2 years, you won't remember the money spent, but you'll appreciate the skills you've gained. Some may laugh at paying for self-improvement when there are free options, but those same people often don't follow through on their goals. There's nothing wrong with paying to improve yourself. In fact, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Next, let's talk about milestone memories. I used to think these were insignificant, especially in my 20s. But recently, I celebrated my birthday properly for the first time in nearly a decade. It wasn't about the money spent, but the effort to create a memorable experience. It's these memories that enrich our lives. Lawrence from the blog More to That articulated this beautifully regarding weddings. While weddings might seem like a massive expenditure, they're often the only time all your loved ones are gathered in one place. It's a unique, irreplaceable moment that symbolizes much more than just the day itself. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, graduation, or family reunion, spending money to create these memories is always worth it. These moments become cherished parts of our lives, far more valuable than the money spent. Now, let's discuss the golden triangle of health: sleep, nutrition, and movement. These 3 elements impact every area of your life, from emotional and physical health to productivity and relationships. Yet we often overlook investing in them because the benefits aren't immediately visible. However, prioritizing your health can lead to improved focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Even if money is tight, investing in a good mattress for better sleep, nutritious food, and a fitness routine can have a profound impact on your life. The return on investment here is immense, enhancing your performance in all aspects of life. Moving on to tools with diminishing returns. When starting something new, it's okay to use basic tools. I began my YouTube journey with just an iPhone and a cheap microphone. But as my channel grew, I realized these tools weren't sufficient anymore. Upgrading to better equipment significantly improved the quality of my content. This applies to any endeavor. As you grow, your tools need to evolve. Don't hesitate to spend a bit more on the right tools. The improvement in quality and the confidence it brings are well worth the investment. Next up, safety and security. It's easy to neglect spending on safety and security measures, but imagine the consequences of something going wrong. For instance, skipping wedding insurance to save money could lead to huge losses if unforeseen circumstances occur. Similarly, investing in a safe deposit box for valuable items provides peace of mind. Always consider the potential consequences and ensure you're adequately covered. The peace of mind alone makes it worthwhile. Let's not forget the importance of hiring professionals. Whether it's a lawyer, trainer, or dermatologist, professionals bring expertise that you can't replicate with a few online tutorials. When I started my online business, I thought I could handle the legal work myself. But hiring a lawyer showed me opportunities and pitfalls I hadn't considered, ultimately saving me money. The same goes for a tax advisor who, in just 1 hour, saved me thousands of dollars. Professionals have the experience and knowledge to optimize various aspects of your life and business, making them a valuable investment. And finally, let's talk about retirement savings. Skimping on your retirement fund is a huge mistake. Saving for retirement is about ensuring your future comfort. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to compounding. It might be tempting to spend on immediate pleasures, but every dollar saved now can mean a much more comfortable future. Think of it as paying your future self first. It's a mindset shift that can make a significant difference in your financial security down the line. So those are 7 things I've learned never to skimp on. Each of these areas can significantly impact your life, so consider investing wisely. If you've got stories of things you regret scrimping on, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more content on how to make smarter financial decisions and enhance your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on the Elite Economizer.